Hey, hello! I probably should have recorded this intro before, but I didn't, so I'm recording it after. I actually have to run. Jez and I are having dinner with Dado and Danielle, and I'm running really late right now. I'm just gonna get straight into it. Flashback to before. I'm gonna go to dinner. We are just gonna do a really quick get ready with me. I'm so flustered and everything's a little bit crazy. We're just gonna put makeup on my face as fast as possible. I'm gonna start with the Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer. Again, I actually stopped using it for a while and forgot how much I really love it. Jez and I have been running around non-stop today. His life is about to get crazy as of tomorrow. We're actually gonna go see Dado and Danielle real soon. He's trying to edit, I'm trying to film. This is probably the worst time for both, but I'm gonna use the this knob's wiggly. The Per 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. This stuff is so thick. It's a concealer and foundation all in one. And you know what? It really gets the job done. I don't know if you can see, but I still have had a face situation happening. It's bad. It's real bad. I cannot get it under control, so the more coverage, the better. I'm using this Fenty foundation brush. I like how it blends. I was not bothered to clean my old one. Jez and I did just move to Seattle. Why? Well, we just wanted to be closer to Dado and Danielle. And this is my new setup. I was previously in the kitchen at our old place. We've just spent the last week really setting up. And you know what? I really love not being in the kitchen and Jez coming in wanting a snack mid-recording. I feel like I haven't slept in about 6 years, so I want to create the illusion that I'm well rested. This Shape Tape is so great, but this is so dirty. I'm ready for it to be done, but I don't want to waste the product. The last few weeks have been absolutely crazy. Hence, barely on Instagram, no videos at all. It definitely does feel like it's starting to settle down though. That's kind of a plus. I just started applying the Fenty Matchstick in Amber to my nose. Jez and I are both pretty excited to be up here. We quite like Seattle. It reminds us a little bit more of Sydney. Why did we not just go back, you ask? Amazon Prime. I didn't get the powder. Okay, found the powder. I have all my makeup stored in a cupboard over there. Not ideal in this current situation. I'm gonna take the Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just gonna put that in the places I need it. I've been super dry recently. It's just not nice for my skin. Just makes me look super flaky. Put a little bit of powder so that my makeup lasts long, but I don't want to be flaky. I got too much powder in the lid. Now there's powder all over the desk. I'm gonna bronze and contour just a tad with this Colourpop pressed cheek bronzer. I don't know what color this is. I just got it out of the pan. This is Specticle. Specticle. Just gonna put that on my face region. Danielle is currently texting me right now about dinner that we are supposed to bring in a good 25 minutes. I'm not even close to being done, so that's definitely awesome. I'm really excited to hang out with them. We're gonna play some board games. Strategy board games are definitely my favorite. I have this OFRA Madison Miller blush. I'm gonna use that. It's very peachy. I feel like I just didn't get to use enough peach colors in summer. I'm gonna be peach today. I definitely look extra flushed right now. I'm gonna go with I meant to do that. My neck is so red and not the same color as my face. It's because I'm so stressed. Okay, a highlight. I'm gonna highlight the face. I'm gonna use this Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. It actually feels like butter, which I think I just really love. I probably used too much. Because it feels so good to touch, I just want to apply it with my finger. It is super fine, so it makes me look almost sweaty. Let's just keep this rolling because of the time situation. I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows. I think that's the fastest I have ever done my brows. They're kind of a little bit out of control. Let's move on to the eyes. We're just gonna play with this Young, Wild and Cruelty Free palette by Tarte. It has some really nice neutrals, a couple of warmer tones. I'm gonna go for a neutrally something look. I'm just gonna vibe it. I'm gonna start with this shade down here. All of my brushes are always so dirty. Do you have that one thing that you just could not be bothered to do ever? I'm gonna go in with that top one there. I'm now gonna go in the inner half in a third section with this. It looks like a pinky purple shimmer shade, but I'm pretty sure it's a lie. Okay, I also just just took that underneath and I think I really like it. I should have left 5 minutes ago. We are doing really well on time. Eyeliner, mascara, and lashes. I think I'm gonna try these Wispy lashes by Ardell. I feel like they might be a fun time. I'm gonna zoom out and we're gonna do the lips and then I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna use this Nude Potion from OFRA. It's a liquid lipstick. It's probably my favorite pink nude color. Well, that's definitely a lot lighter than I had anticipated. Maybe I will add something to deepen it up. I'm gonna go over the top of that with Paulo. It's fine. I need some setting spray. This is it. I'm ready. And only 15 minutes late. I still have to order food and get jazzed. On that note, I'm gonna quickly wrap it up because I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me while I got ready. If you liked the video, leave a like. Follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. You guys are great. I'm gonna go to dinner. Bye.